Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice indices problem which literally 90% of the people could not do it literally in 10 seconds. So here we have 81 raised to 0.25. Lot of people think that whenever there's a decimal they think that this is going to be very tricky and they leave it. But I'll give you a hack. First you convert the decimal into its fraction. And when you do that and you realize it is 25 upon 100 which can be reduced as what 1 upon 4. Okay, so this is basically they are trying to tell you that you want 81 raised to 1 fourth or basically fourth root of 81. Okay, now why did I do that? Because see, a raised to 1 upon n can also be written as what nth root of a. Okay, so now fourth root of 81. Now listen, we have what 9 square as 81 and 3 square as 9, and still it is what 9 square was given, right? So this we have to put it under whole square. This also gets you 81. Now 3 square the whole square, very important, you need to remember a raised to m, the whole raised to n can be written as a raised to m into n. So this can be written as what 3 raised to 4 equals to 81. Okay, so instead of 81 I can write this as what fourth root of 3 raised to 4, which is nothing but what, see the root, the fourth root and the 4 can get cancelled because it is eventually coming out to be what 3 raised to 4 into 1 by 4, correct? So this and this cancel, so you're left with 3 raised to 1. So answer is just 3 for this particular question. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.